we have a live question by one of our students, Liu Lu. You need to unmute yourself.
Hi, Liu.
Perfect.
Hi. Thank you, Professor. So my question is, during COVID, small business faced cash flow problem. So how did P&G help?
Excellent question, Liu. Thank you. One again that's very close to my heart. I'll give you an example in India, and then I'll hopefully it'll address it. At the end of the day, every business, the foundation, P&G believes, and every business should believe, is the people, right? So we have our distributor partners who have over 8,000 sellers in India, right? What's the biggest concern of a seller in a COVID environment? They're going to go to the store and potentially get infected, right? So we were the first company in India to offer COVID insurance. So we partnered with our distributors. We engaged with the insurance companies because we have the scale of P&G, and at an extremely inexpensive cost, we made sure each one of these sellers got COVID insurance to make sure that they could feel comfortable going to the store and they knew that daily wages would be protected. On top, we made sure that everybody was paid even if they didn't go to the store, because people are trying to work very hard, right? And it's important we recognize that, right? So those I offer you as examples of what I think we did, just as one example, but it also goes to the broader societal needs on COVID. So in this region, we actually quickly turned over 5 of our manufacturing units to produce masks, because many of the governments could not produce masks, surgical masks, and we told them we are going to offer these masks to them, and they can distribute it first amongst the health workers and in the broader communities. And we also offered donations and support of over $12 million to the different governments in this region to make sure they could support the PPE and other health requirements as they saw fit, right? So those are some examples on our role, which we call as Force for Good and Force for Growth, because we do take our responsibility and citizenship roles very seriously. Did I address your question, Liu?
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you for asking.